Is it time to buy or sell SPDR Gold Shares ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SPDR Gold Shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Sign. Since the 8th of April, 2025, our system has identified SPDR Gold Shares as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.6. Let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a noteworthy gain of 12.31%. Since we initially categorized SPDR Gold Shares as a buy candidate 14 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.88% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a robust and sustained upward trend, indicating further potential for growth in the near term. The current 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 16.83% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 7.46% to 20.72%. In examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 31.71%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 13% and 35.15% over the next year. In practical terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $349.26 and $417.70. Our latest daily update for SPDR Gold Shares highlights that the SPDR Gold Shares ETF price increased by 1.42% on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, the SPDR Gold Shares ETF price rose from $304.73 to $309.07. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 2.03%, reaching a low of $302.97 and a high of $309.11. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has seen an overall gain of 3.74%. Notably, trading volume decreased by 1 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.85 billion. It's important to note that a decline in volume accompanied by rising prices may indicate divergence, serving as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $317.63, while the lowest price was $210.71. Currently, the price sits at 2.69%, or $8.56, below the 52-week high of $317.63, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Gold has witnessed a significant rally as risk aversion returns to the markets. As of today, the 28th of April, 2025, this surge indicates a growing sentiment among investors seeking safety amidst economic uncertainty. The Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index, which recently dropped considerably, reflects weakening economic conditions, prompting traders to flock towards gold, a traditional safe haven asset. However, rising dollar strength has pressured gold prices toward critical support levels between $3,228 and $3,164. In recent developments, China's gold consumption fell by 6% in the first quarter, while production rose by 1.5%. This mixed data suggests that demand dynamics are shifting in one of the largest gold markets, potentially impacting global prices. JP Morgan's optimistic outlook highlights a bullish sentiment, projecting up to a 90% upside for gold mining stocks if gold reaches $4,000 an ounce by mid-2026. In the short term, the current risk-averse environment may drive additional investment into gold and GLD, possibly boosting its prices. However, if the dollar continues to strengthen and trade tensions ease, demand could retreat, creating a more volatile outlook, long term. If bullish predictions hold true, we could see significant appreciation in GLD, tied to broader trends in precious metals and global economic stability. Overall, GLD investors should remain vigilant as these factors unfold in the coming weeks and months. Analysts have assigned the SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong buy along with the price-to-book ratio. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the ETF a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for SPDR Gold Shares. The SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between the two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, some support will be provided by the levels at $308.33 and $287.64. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. The fund should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been generated and may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, April 21, 2025, and so far, it has decreased by 2.07%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots revealed a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger also showed a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 16 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal 82 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPDR Gold Shares. SPDR Gold Shares finds support from accumulated volume at $303.65, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This exchange-traded fund has average daily movements and, with substantial trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the fund experienced a movement of $6.14 between its high and low, or 2.03%. For the past week, the ETF has maintained a daily average volatility of 1.69%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An exceptionally high PE ratio suggests that the exchange-traded fund could be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPDR Gold Shares is at $311.11. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPDR Gold Shares encounters its first support level at $303.65. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $297.88, which reflects a decline of 3.62%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is SPDR Gold Shares ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for SPDR Gold Shares ETF to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of April, we anticipate that SPDR Gold shares will open lower by $2.02, starting at $307.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.